Let me show you how you can make your leave-in conditioner with just two powerful ingredients that you can easily get. Yes, the very first ingredient to be using here is your shea butter. Go ahead and get the quantity you want. This is just what I will be needing because I'm making a small quantity. So I went ahead to add my coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, olive oil can also work. Dissolve the two together, and this is what we'll have, right? The next ingredient I added here is my aloe vera. Okay, this aloe vera you can easily get it. Shea butter, aloe vera, you can easily get these two ingredients, and they are even very cheap and very effective on our hair. So I went ahead to pour in everything. This is about 250 ml, right? I just poured in everything, all of the aloe vera that is remaining in this container. I poured in everything, okay, because I'm not doing much. I'm just doing a small quantity that will be enough for me for like 1 month. So go ahead and pour all the aloe vera, right? The next ingredient I used here is your black castor oil. Okay, so I just added 2 cup of my black castor oil, and then I added my vitamin E oil. This oil is just essential oil you should add. If you don't have vitamin E oil, you can also do it with just your olive oil. After adding that, you just stir and make sure everything is mixed together. Then at this point I've mixed everything properly and I'm okay with it. So I went ahead to cover it up, allow it to sit in my fridge throughout the night. And yeah, this is the next day, and this is exactly how it looks like, right? So I went ahead to bring my whisker, and then I whisk till I get the consistency I want. You see that? So easy. You can see that making your living conditioner is so easy. Like, it doesn't even take time and you are done. You just aloe vera and your shea butter. These are the main two ingredients you use for this. No preservative, and this is very effective when you're looking at if you're having a stunted growth. This helps a whole lot when it comes to hair growth, moisturizing your scalp. Shea butter is so good in it. So go ahead and mix. As you can see, while I'm mixing, the consistency is changing, like it's getting more lighter. And of course, your leave-in conditioner should be like very light. It shouldn't be thick like a hair cream. So you cannot, I don't think using spoon to do this will work. It's just this whisker. This whisker is still not even expensive to get, right? So go ahead and mix, beat the hell out of this shit, right? As you can see, it's coming together. Our living combination is coming together, and yeah, this is what we are looking for. We are good, and with this few step, you've gotten yourself a living conditioner that will be enough for you for a very long time, right? So let me know if you're gonna try this living conditioner, and trust me, this will save you some cash, right? So yeah, we've come to end of today's video. I hope yeah you learned one or two. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll be leaving now to see you guys in my next one. Bye.